In 4 tasks I did 3 completed. In 3 I have small doubts. That's why I sharing the screen.
Okay.
In process transaction I one task is there, yes or no. Where I wanted to store this Excel path in orchestrator or config file.
Sorry, which one?
This is
Yeah.
this is yes or no task.
Okay.
Just review to this. In finally,
So, are you asking me in which XAML you have to make change?
just wait.
This is main page, right?
Oh,
So, have you made any change in this page?
I've written the code in final stage in this code.
Final stage.
Yes.
Okay. What code you have written?
Just right. Here I taken 2 activities then I am using is a data table like this.
You can minimize the try block and then you can go directly on final.
Here I design
Okay.
in search LPAN weekly. In finally I have written the code like this.
What is this run status? Okay, you are getting notice go to.
Yes, in Excel file we have yes no is there, no?
Okay.
If no is there, we have to update that one.
But you are
Here.
doing it in finally stage.
Yes.
But okay, just go there directly. Where you are calling this stage. From where you are calling means just show me the try block of this finally.
Here.
See, just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, stop here, stop
Okay.
here. Yeah. See, you are making it in finally block.
Yes.
But here run as use is used inside this, right?
Sorry.
run equal to yes. If you are able to see there is one condition, run equal to yes. So if you are using it outside your finally,
Okay.
so this finally block will execute after checking your this condition. So this code won't work at that time. So what is the easiest way? You can remove this finally code
Okay.
and there is one XAML. I think Helpen Weekly something name is like that. Go to that XAML
Where
and make all the run to
where that
go to
that Jamal?
yeah, go here in the project section, scroll down, project section. Okay, open the process. That's a reset weekly table. Open in UiPath Studio. You can open from there, it's already open. You can open your UiPath Studio, it's open.
RE framework.
Open, go to your UiPath. Yeah, UiPath Studio. Open Helpen Weekly table from here. From your project section as well, you can open.
We're here.
If you want, yeah, no. Press Control F. Control F. Write Helpen Weekly table. Right here, Helpen. No space, no space. Helpen Weekly table without space.
There is no results found.
Actually, that page is not open, that's why.
You want access?
You need control. Why you are not opening it from project section? It's very simple. But I was saying this is a project section, all the files are here. The dependencies. Why you are not
Process.
opening it from here?
MR process.
You can open from here also.
Double click.
Directly. This is a reset weekly table. I was saying the Helpen, but the name is reset weekly table. That's why it's not coming in Control F. So there are two options. Either you can use Control F or you can
Search
open
here
your
in
example
process.
directly from project.
Yes.
So here I was saying you wherever you are finding row 2. Okay.
Yes,
in
no.
both the section. In this block as well and in this block as well. Just mark that as row 2 as yes. And you can remove that finally block code.
Okay, I want to keep here.
Yes. Make all the row 2 as yes. Okay. So there are two blocks. Here you have to mark. This block and this block. Go inside it and make everything as row 2 as yes.
Okay.
And also here you can search using Control F. Press Control F. Write row bracket 2. One second, I will write. See, there are option current file. So I will.
All files.
So all the row 2 will come here.
Yes.
Okay. So you can directly double click it, you can directly go there. It will move you that this page. And there are other options as well. Go to current file or all files. So there is no need to go in all file. Only in current file you have to make row 2 as is. Okay.
Okay. No need to write any code for 2 row 2.
No code. Only mark row 2 as yes. What it means that every time we have to run all the office, whether it's monthly, weekly or any day. You
Just
to
I
remove
want
the
to
condition.
change here. Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah, make it
No,
true.
no,
Yes.
no need to make any code.
No, there is no need.
Like this, I wanted to change. Just,
Yes,
huh?
yes,
That's it.
yeah.
That is a task.
Search, yeah, search all the row 2.
Okay.
Okay, in this reset weekly table, take it. Yes.
Okay. Okay. One
And
more.
you can remove that finally code because of finally, what is the meaning of finally? It will invoke only when your entire try block gets executed. Okay, or if there is any exception.
Yes,
So
sir.
if your try block is executed, everything is already executed, and your condition is also executed for checking either it's yes or no, then there is no need to make it change again. There is no need to that value again if it's already executed.
Okay.
So that's why you can remove from there and make change here.
I will.
So it's a very small change.
Yes. I will remove in finally code, and I will update here. If there is a no, I will put the yes.
Yeah, right.
That is a task.
Yeah.
One more thing. In process transaction, conditional mail. This is a task for if file is there, we have to send the mail.
Yeah.
Actually, where we have to store this path in config or orchestrator.
This one in the assets you have to store.
Assets.
Yeah, and then you have to call this value from assets.
For this, may I know that already you stored any variable, or I wanted to keep like this? I want to store in orchestrator or config.
Yeah. On orchestrator asset. Then
Asset.
there is one asset Bayesian framework. Call assets from there and then call it here. Assets will automatically will call. Just call asset.
Before you have to any return for this variable? No. Okay. One more thing. In entities we have like 4 to 5 entities is there. In future it will come or it will fix.
Oh no, it's fixed. Can you show country directory value? What you have stored there in country directory variable? No, in your UiPath code. Country directory, what is the value? Content processing. You can find it in assets. I think it's in asset.
I want to store in assets.
I think this path is already in one of the assets. Just type alpen underscore and alpen in the asset section. All the alpen asset will come, and then you can match this value that in which asset it is saved. You can use that asset for this path.
Okay.
But for country listing, there is no asset.
Okay.
And all the offices are fixed as of now.
Office is fixed.
Yeah.
One more thing, in that folder we have 2 folders is there. I will show that. Template.
Yeah. No. Ignore that. Template. Only temp will be there.
These 2 folders no need to operate.
No need to check this one. This is for saving the temporary screenshot and config file.
Okay.
And images, error screenshot.
Okay. I've written the code like this in I have taken 2-3 assigned activities. I stored here path I stored in like countries names. This is a folder path name. In for each loop, folders are continuously coming to one by one.
But that you are doing in process state after this file is moved to completed folder, right?
Yes.
So if there will be any file in to do, how will you know that it's in there? Because if there is any file and all the process are completed, then automatically what will move that file from to do to completed. So according to this logic, you will never get any file in to do. The simplest logic is what if I will explain you. In the process state, where just use one counter. Okay. If any that counter is hit, that means there is a list. Okay. In any of the folder there is a list. That means if that counter is true, that means in one of the means process is executed at once at once for any of this. Okay. If that value is true, that means you have to send the thing. Otherwise, no need to send anything. So that is very simple. Just use a Boolean variable which will identify you that okay, this is true, and then in your main.xaml, come in your main.xaml outside the process where you are sending the mail, and then it will identify okay, this is true. That means process is executed once. That means some elfen list is found at that time. Then send the mail.
Okay.
Okay, go to
This
the
is-
process transaction.
Okay.
Okay, I have the control. Let me
Okay.
see. Very simple, very simple. You need to write longer code. Very simply also you can handle.
Go down.
Simplest way I'm telling you. So here we are sending the mail, right?
Yes.
So there is one XAML process file. Use one out variable. You know in out and in out variable? Out
In
variable. Out
arguments.
argument. Out argument.
Yes.